In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to add audio spectrum in CapCut. First, make sure you've already opened your project in the CapCut desktop app. This process works in the editor on your computer, not in the web browser version. Once your project is open and your media is on the timeline, look toward the top left side of the screen. You'll see a few different tabs there. Click on the tab labeled Stickers. When you switch to the Stickers tab, you'll see a search bar at the top of that panel. Click inside the search bar and type in Audio Spectrum. CapCut will show you a variety of audio spectrum sticker options. These might look like bars bouncing to the beat, circular waveforms, or other animated visualizers. Take a moment to scroll through and choose a style that matches the mood of your video, whether it's clean and minimal or more bold and colorful. Once you've found an audio spectrum you like, simply click and drag it from the panel onto your timeline. Make sure you drop it on a track above your main video or image clips. Placing it above your media ensures the spectrum appears on top of your footage, so it's visible when you play the video. Now, look at the canvas or preview window. You'll see the audio spectrum sticker there. To adjust its size, click on it in the preview. You'll notice small handles appear around it. Drag these handles inward to make the spectrum smaller, or outward to make it larger. To rotate it, hover near a corner until you see a rotate icon, then click and drag to tilt it to your preferred angle. You can also click and drag the entire sticker to move it to a different position on the screen, like the bottom center, a corner, or anywhere that looks best and doesn't cover important parts of your footage. Next, adjust when and how long the audio spectrum appears. On the timeline, find the sticker clip you just added. To change its position in time, click and drag the entire clip left or right along its track. This controls the moment in the video when the spectrum starts and ends. To modify its duration, move your mouse to the beginning or end of the sticker clip until you see a trim handle. Click and drag inward to shorten the effect, or drag outward to make it last longer, matching the section of audio you want to visualize. Once you're happy with the placement, size, and timing, you're done. You've successfully added an audio spectrum to your CapCut project.